this is Emma from Immetech. So, as you can see, these two sample racks are about medical mold samples here. So, like for this one, this is an AED here. And we've cooperated with Rescue from the early stages of product design and development and the product appearance and manufacturing process selection. So AED, it plays a very important role in our daily life because as we all know, the golden 4 minutes, right? Yes, so we can see it everywhere in the school, hospital, subway station, high-speed station, etc. Yes, we continue to produce it for 60,000 pieces per year and we've cooperated with Rescue for more than 6 years. So if you are looking forward mold manufacturer about medical or automobile industry, okay, follow me, and you won't be disappointed.